Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to take you with me and set up all of the pages for my bullet journal for the month of January. I am doing this way and I want to use the least amount of anything because I just wanted to show everyone how easy it is to set up a bullet journal. A lot of people, even some messages that I have received, it's like, oh my God, I'm not an illustrator. I don't know how to draw. I don't know how to do this and the other. My answer is always the same. You don't need much. All you need is a pen and a piece of paper. In this case, I have this nice little cutouts from magazines that I have had for years, and I have kept them only because they're very artistic. I love the colors. I like I don't know, the elements that it's included, like the quotes, of course. But most of all, I just wanted to show how easy it is to set up a bullet journal. You don't need to be an illustrator, you don't need to be an artist, you don't need to have special anything. All you need is a desire to be organized, and that's it. And a notebook and a pen, of course. You're gonna see me make a lot of mistakes. You're gonna see me doubt myself, and I just keep going. And like you saw in my other video, I could link that down below. If I make a mistake, I just glue my pages together and I keep going. That's literally what I do. I These days I am using my bullet journal just to make some notes and reminders for my job, and that is it. You're gonna see me just set it up for Monday through Friday. I am using hardly anything. I'm using, of course, a glue stick because I need to glue these nice labels onto my pages. And the good thing that these papers are very thin, they're not gonna bulk up my planner. I started setting up my bullet journal for like the main pages and a calendar for the month of January, and I started with washi tape because I thought I wanted washi tape, but I'm not. I'm going to remove it, and I am just gonna let my creativity just take over, and I'm gonna let you guys watch all the mistakes that I make, the simplicity of the setup, and my purpose is to just encourage whomever watches this to just start. Just start. Don't be afraid of anything. Just use what you have at home. I am determined to use my stickers and papers and what I have and put it all together and make something functional for me. And I hope that you like it. And if you do, please leave me a comment and a thumbs up and enjoy this video.